Hey, so I'm back. I'm inside now, and as I said, the fly needed a little bit of repair. So you can see at this corner, it's come unstitched. So I'm just going to sew that up. Normally, I'm not a big fan of putting pins into nylon or anything like that, just because it does compromise the integrity. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to sew it, and then I'll seam seal where I've stitched as well, just for an extra little bit of protection. I'm by no means a seamstress. I picked up this sewing machine for my mother-in-law for about $50, and I'm going to go ahead and sew up the seam. One thing you want to note is I'm using nylon thread. You don't want to use cotton when you're sewing like nylons and polyesters. It just doesn't work. So I'll go ahead and sew up this one part that I have pinned together, and yeah, we'll go from there. So there you have it. So I didn't have any green thread. Everything, we're in another lockdown. I had this red from a cover that I sewed for my ice fishing sled. So yeah, it adds a little bit of character. I mean, function over form, right? So I'll go ahead and I'll pin up the next little side, and then yeah, we'll sew that.